Malfunction.
We're not the same, bitch, you're fucking with the devil. Try to be just like me, stupid clothes, I've counted several. Be class till you die, oh, and never on my level. Oh, give a single fuck, though I was born to be a rebel. We're not the same, bitch, you're fucking with the devil. Try to be just like me, stupid clothes, I've counted several. Be class till you die, oh, and never on my level. Oh, give a single fuck, though I was born to be a rebel. Bitch, I got rockets in both of my hands, I might blast the fuck off of this planet. I knew I'd be top of the class, but I never imagined these stupid nerds would take advantage. They all try to copy my style, they live in denial. I'm not talking niche shit, it's manic. They literally bite me, then turn around, talk shit, and act like they're dope. Holy shit, I can't stand it. Get off of my dick, bitch. Your favorite hero's still looking at me. I do it better than they do it ease. And you wonder why all the people aren't pleased with all your shit. It's not complicated, your quirk is just weak. I think I probably should run up a fee for when they try to come steal all my memes. I'm fucking disgusted with all of these shitty rappers thinking they can rap better than me. Funny thing is that I'm not a rapper, but you fail at the one thing you're trying to be. Get on your knees, I do not bleed. You should retreat, you're a disease. You could be handed every single power in the fucking world, but you'll never be me. No. We're not the same, bitch, you're fucking with the devil. Try to be just like me, stupid clothes, I've counted several. Be class till you die, oh, and never on my level. Oh, give a single fuck, though I was born to be a rebel. We're not the same, bitch, you're fucking with the devil. Try to be just like me, stupid clothes, I've counted several. Be class till you die, oh, and never on my level. Oh, give a single fuck, though I was born to be a rebel.
People look at me and they think they're on my level. Then they hear this beat and they see they're all in peril. Then the horns they peak and they see that I'm a devil. Think you run this?